Hello friends. So talking about blockchain technology. Now we have been hearing about this blockchain technology largely associated with cryptocurrency, and there is some bit of confusion on its utility and how much we can leverage it in various sectors. I would want to talk about a few things today. So before that, let's understand what is blockchain technology, how we can understand it, use it. So it is a distributed ledger system where we can put series of records with time. As the records mutate, develop, and changes happen, we list all of those in the database, which is offered by the blockchain technology. That way, are creating, we are putting information on the technology which is secure, tamper proof, and also accessible to multiple stakeholders who have the access to it. And this is something which is decentralized, so no concentration of records and data which can be disturbed. So it is pretty democratic, so to say. Now, with this offering from the technology, what we have, we can use it in many sectors. It has been used in a couple of sectors in a few states in India. For example, the supply chain sector, where we have largely seen supply chain inefficiencies due to the manual handling of whatever product we have. And there is a lot of tampering with the product as well on the way till it reaches the final destination point. That we have seen in the agri sector, largely in the PDS distribution system, what we have. Also in the vaccines movement from one point to another, there is a chance of breakage or spoiling or whatever. So to avoid all of these inefficiencies, tampering with things and all, blockchain technology can help us track the movement of a product, a unique product identified by a QR code from one point to another, from source to destination. And that way, with real time understanding of the inventory which is moving from point A to point B, and at every leg, we can see the status in terms of the record, what are being added every time it's crossing a leg, a milestone, and reaching to the next stage of handling and then to the destination. So all the records are being put on the blockchain database for that particular product, and this is visible as well. So in a transparent way, we see the movement of the product from point A to point B. That is very significant, and that brings a significant transformation in our supply chain industry. Now that is one. Another major utility what we see is the land records. Here, this in India, we have an issue with the land records. Multiple government agencies are having their own records of the land, which rarely matches. A lot of disputes are being there. A lot of clarity is missing, and accordingly, people who are the real owners of the land cannot mortgage or utilize the land in order to generate borrowings and all, and then generate economic activities thereupon. So if we have blockchain technology, if we are using it here, then we can record all these land information and then see all the transformations, transfer of lands from one party to another, all are being recorded for that particular land parcel product on the blockchain, and that will be transparent to all the stakeholders. So there will be no confusion of who is holding the land, and accordingly, with that clarity, we can have a land bank and utility and a land market, in fact. So a lot of buyers will be interested, investors will be interested to buy lands in an easier way without this this undue hindrance of lack of information. So that has a potential of to revolutionize the land sector as well. Similarly, many other within the financial sector as well, the chit funds are very common in terms of instantly borrowing money to members of the chit fund. Now, there as well, a lot of manipulations happen. So, if we have records at each stage of the development of activities, which is transparent and everything, then the chit fund will be very useful at the local level as it was intended to when initiated. Similarly, many other sectors, many other areas, we can use this technology. A lot of startups have come up in this sector in India and abroad, and we are expecting more to come in this sector and more services to being offered, more utilities to come up, and that way we can have more transparent and cleaner economic activities which are based on these transparent database, and that will be very useful in terms of expanding our economy, economic activities, and making life better for Indians and people abroad. Thank you.